Guys, you have reached Top It Off with Miss R, and I'm Miss R. If you want to see what I am going to show you today that is very helpful when it comes to painting your walls, then just stay tuned. Alright guys, well, I have painted my room and it turned out pretty good. But in certain spots, I just don't like how the tape allowed it to bleed through. So I'm going to show you how to correct that. Guys, when I went and I chose my paint color or whatever, I went and got a lot of these when I, went to try to sample different paints. And I used these to correct my mistakes. I am going to try to do it with one hand. So I'm going to try to show you now. I'm getting up on the ladder. Now, I don't know if you can see that, but right along here, it's just a little bit. No one would even care about that, but I do. So what you do is you take the card, you put it all the way up against there and push it hard up against that. And then you take one of these little dollar store makeup brushes and dip it in your paint very lightly. And then you fill it in. I hope you're able to see it, but I got my little paint right here, got my little card, and you just simply put it up here. I'm gonna try to go a little further out. You put it up and you press it as hard as you can, and then you just touch like this. And voila, if you don't want to tape anything off, this is a very quick and inexpensive way to do it. Well guys, you have reached Top It Off with Miss R. I'm Miss R. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell down below so you'll know when my next video is coming out. And guys, this hack works. Bye. Mwah.